Nigeria jaga. No. Nigeria gola.
Tinubu, yes.
Which one Tinubu?
Yeah, Chirika.
In what sense? In what sense by saying that Tinubu got large? But can I? Obi now, I will be winning before I went there. I'm a guy man in Nigeria.
Can't wait APC batara n'ọchịchị ọkwa Chukwu yele anya aka o.
Personally, I know that Tulumbu never come to rule. Ihe ole me na Lagos, call again na Nigeria. I'm an adult. I'm a mehemere na 2023. He never win that election. Through Mago. That is why Tulumbu, through one way or the other, he became the president.
We are seeing a lot. We don't even need a soothsayer to tell us that the country is bad.
Peter Obi bụ onye ma ihe a na-akọ. Onye chọrọ ka o mee Nigeria ka ọ dị sharp.
Ebe ọbụla ọ nọ the same there.
Ebe ọbụla Peter Obi nọ.
The same there.
Ebe akịnụ.
Country is bad currently.
Na ọchịchị Tinubu alekula nke Buhari adịghị mma. Tinubu abịa asa ebe niile. Onye gị joy. Peter Obi kwesịrị ịnọ n'ọchịchị ahụ, o kwesịrị ịnọ dasi.
Negodo case kidnap ụmụazị anọ. Onwedị ihe a na-ekwu maka ya nothing.
Na ụmụaka agakwa aganwu school. Anọ na school achịrị obi ha n'aka na-eme kidnapping.
Roads or all those things are not even going to be the main thing as a citizen. We need roads too, but security is one of the things, and the security system is bad. It's up. It's crazy. It's in a mess.
Obi won 2023, which was visible. So, but the way things are going, I don't know. But however, he will fail now. I mean, Tinubu, because he has not been competent. Yeah, he fell in credibility.
Abia State for the past 2-3 years.
Na because achịchị Alex Oti ọ dị anyị mma na arụ. Alex Oti ya chịrị anyị gawa.
Maka presidency. So n'uche nke gị now since 2023 till now, ka shifu ọchịchị Nigeria.
Kemgbe APC batara n'ọchịchị ha, ọkwa Chukwu yele anyị aka o. Na ihe na-afịa na ụmụaka agakwa aganwu school. Anọ na school achịrị obi ha n'aka na-eme kidnapping. Biko onwe mgbanwe a ga-enweta 2027 ya bịa na ọchịchị.
So ke mgbanwe ahụ ịchọ na 2027?
Oh no, Peter Obi all the way. At least Peter Obi ga-adịtụ better. I want to ask na ọ ga-adị perfect na ụta. Peter Obi ga-adịrị anyị better compared to ọchịchị Tinubu.
Ka emi ji na Peter Obi ga-adị better?
Mgbe Peter Obi chi na Anambra State, efere ife o mere, ọ na-apụ na gọọmenti, ọ rapụ ego na pọs, na ihe ndị ọzọ o mere a na-afụ anya. And ọ nwoke nwere strategy, ọ ma ihe ọ ga-eme ka ọchịchị Nigeria wee dị mma. So ọ ya mere anyị ji na-eti ka Peter Obi ka ọchịchị ọzọ bata karịa ọchịchị Tinubu. Ịghọtago?
I nwere voters card gị?
Why not if not? They will voters card.
So you got to vote next year?
Got to vote, yeah.
Dalo.
Oti is trying. He's one of the best governor on earth. In Abia State, he's one of the best governor. Number 1 governor in Abia State.
Okay, no change 2027 ko inge binyere aka.
Alex Oti now.
Abia na federal, abia na presidency. Ko si bossa Nigeria ko inge support, ko inge binyere aka.
Peter Obi now.
Ke mi ge support Peter Obi?
The man is the good now. Wuro onye chọrọ. In presidency, oh yeah, onye chọrọ, any other person.
You want voters card?
Why?
And they got to vote?
Why?
It is sure.
To your former.
Ọchịchị Alex Oti kacha mma ọ dịghị abụọ. Alex Oti try ga.
Mana ka ị shifu na Nigeria kita?
Na o mgbe fela kụrụ egwu Nigeria jaga. No. Nigeria gola. Nigeria nọzi jaga egwuregwu.
Mana ka ị shifu ọchịchị Tinubu personally, ka ọchịchị Tinubu dị gị na?
Na ọchịchị Tinubu alekula nke Buhari adịghị mma. Tinubu abịa asa ebe niile. Ịghọtara? Ọchịchị Tinubu adịghị onye gị joy ma 1 minute sef.
So na 2027 election ko ị ga-akwado?
Na ọkwa Peter Obi ma wee kwe Peter Obi kwesịrị ịnọ n'ọchịchị ahụ, o kwesịrị ịnọ that seat. Ọwụ egwuregwu. Then abịakwala steeti na adịghị enyo na side anyị enweghị tad, but na awụrụ tad ụmụatarị m my house ịghọta.
Okay, awụgide atagidere ụzọ bata na be nke gị?
That's wukpute ya n'ụlọ m. That's awụrụ the tad wukpute ya n'ụlọ m ịghọtara. Peter Obi m chọrọ ịdashi ya 1000 ebe ọbụla ahụrụ ya ga-enye 1p si ya were ya hodo ịghọtara. So Peter Obi dey try ọwụ egwuregwu.
Daalụ.
Thank you.
Sometimes about 15,000
in a day.
In a day. Because iburu ya na geru aram gị nọbe load 415 ga town. So before you going to keep and check one another ton, maybe 2 hours or 3 hours before you rush come back. Not that you not make more, but every morning like got fuel. That's the problem.
So in a day, kita no after fuel, you're gonna clean and what has profit?
Profit, but I'm taking 5,000, 6,000. Your own profit
in a day.
In a day.
But before, cake or the voter before?
No, it's not like this. Before I went to go, but as it is, everything has scattered. The government are very good and are they better. I a new leader. The leader not existing now are very bad. Corruption are too much. So we are praying for change. If the government can change and that person. The motor is not my own. I'm not the one.
So you're going to get
one motor in the day, give you 10,000. You get 5,000, 6,000 as a deliver a day. So I wouldn't like HP now. You calculate at least in a week. Now you calculate you give you 60,000 or 50,000 within the week.
So daily?
Daily, monthly. No, every week.
So every week you're going to get
50. Give you 50. The remaining one change you give it up for the maintenance of the motor and feeding your family. That is it. We are trying. Those are what my good motor for now.
Yeah. Since it's never been on chicken cake already. So I've been at 2027 election. Koyo digi kawanyama being head them in Nigeria.
I'll be told.
Let me just know
Why Pitobi? Because the man intention yeah be revive for Nigeria. That is his intention. I get back Buego. So intention yeah be revive for Nigeria. He make things and them normalize. At least life and very easy for masses, for poor masses, all those things. So that's why I'm Pitobi.
So you have voters card?
I have voters card.
And you get votes?
You get votes, why?
Take Abia State to the Keta. Who changed it?
Abia State is the one man. I don't want to compare with many years ago. Yes, the one. So our governor is trying. He's really trying.
We can now enjoy the dividends of democracy. God sent governor. We never knew that I wanted this kind of person. I'm not a politician. I based in Lagos. But because of Alex Soti, I'll be around by his grace to make sure I cast my own votes. And my vote will count.
From 2023 till now, North Nigeria,
we know, personally, I know that Tulumbu never come to rule. I based in Lagos. I was so many years in Lagos. Tulumbu, Obonye Mberano. In all Lagos, Nigeria. That is what Wike is doing in Port Harcourt. How can an individual like you and I choose a governor to govern a state? How can an individual like you and I to pick a president to rule 36 states? The possibility is not there. But through Mago, that is why Tulumbu. I'm an adult. I'm a Mihimeri in 2023. He never win that election. Through one way or the other, he became the president. I know by his grace, Mihimeri in 2023 will not repeat itself in Jesus' name.
We have a lot of other presidential candidates that are vying for the post of the presidency. So out of these people, Potachan, Onye Kagwaga to vote Masigipo, or Onye be the best person for the job?
That's a very good question. If you ask me, I will tell you that in the morning, my vote will go to Obi. In the afternoon, my vote will go to Obi. You and I were going to gain a lot if you become president of Nigeria. Just like the test of governance in Abia State. We Nigerians can reason through our normal sense, not reasoning through anus. Or the reasonable Nigerian that will vote for APC. My advice to everyone, get your PVC. Nigerians should be careful. I remember that 2023, an elderly woman, a Yoruba woman, about 80-something years, called me, Baba Ibo, na P2B go win, but na Baba go rule. That was 2022, December, she said this to me. I bet her, said P2B must carry this day. He said, no, I'm not doubting you, sir. But na Baba go rule. She came and told me, I told you that the day, the time, the date, the man has been chosen. All this is just for formality. Who to rule Nigeria.
How has Nigeria been for you in the past 2-3 years?
That question is big for me to answer. That one safe. It's our country that they say, but I don't see anything on it. If I have my way, I won't be here.
So for 2027 election, who do you think should be the best person to rule Nigeria?
If I have my way, I would say let P2B go, sir.
You want P2B to be the president of the country?
Mm-hmm. Because he have done well from his states. So if he be there, he will still do well.
Do you have your voter's card?
Yes, I have.
So you're going to vote 2027?
Sure. That one for sure, sir. I will.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.
How long have you been in Abia State?
I schooled here, so let's say for the past 4 or 5 years.
Okay, I've been here steadily. So how is Abia State for you?
When I came, it was bad, but with what I've seen so far, it's been good.
As a young person that just finished school and you are into some kind of business, how do you see Nigeria?
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Country is bad currently. We are seeing a lot. We don't even need a soothsayer to tell us that the country is bad. Roads or all those things are not even going to be the main thing as a citizen. We need roads too, but security is one of the things, and the security system is, I'm sorry to use the F word, but it's bad. It's up. It's crazy. It's in a mess.
So road to 2027, who is that one person you think can liberate or salvage Nigeria?
Let's say Peter Obi. That's for what I believe in. Is going to at least try and change something, do something better. So my vote goes for Peter Obi.
So of all other persons, you're voting Peter Obi, or you will vote Peter Obi. Why?
That's the only person I feel. That's why I say I don't know, because once they get on that seat, it's a different story entirely. They promise you heaven and earth, at the same time you're seeing something else. So I just hope and we pray that he becomes a better president for us. We're just living based on hope, nothing more.
Okay, what is that one thing that you're going to tell a young person that just finished school and that wants to venture into a business from your experience as a business person?
Please venture into it. Anything you do as a student, or just learn a skill. That's the most important thing you need to do once you finish school. Even while you are still in school, learn a skill is important, because people that have graduated 4 years, like 80% of graduates, none of them have jobs. It's a skill that is going to help you put food on your table. A daily income is what you need to survive this country right now. So that's the only thing I have to say. And advise you, please go out and vote. Vote for Peter Obi. On his mandate we stand.
Babylon the same there.
Peter Obi
The same there.
Mana kai Abia State the since Ochibi Docho.
After OT, na in family.
One hour no possible unless you teach her. Ya to party mo nwunye ya ne ya. Come on again ya. Ya pụtagharị ọzọ. Ya megharịa ha ọwụrụ 16 years ya ọchịkwuo. Ya kwa no ga mgbago.
By right governor of Ebonyi State, oh Omega. I just were Francis. Now I'm no video very well. Just were Francis Ogbonne ya tie ba ahụ. Na eri anya ọchọbọ. By right. Ọwụ la ya Dave Mai. Onye maka nọ n'ọchịchị. Francis Onwuya ole ho na arụla na Ebonyi State. Onwe ndọtụ na arụla. Yana na the town Abia State as a host, OT or nothing.
OT, Yemezile campaign. He has won. Oga read the next one.
OT,
Yama Gamara here. Yeah, Chikwa another 8 years. So that Oga is better than it is. I say we will target Megaria constitution. Yeah, Chikwa another 8 years. Yes, I will target him. Ayaga best. He has done noble.
For go akita no makonyi choko win the 2027 election and presidency.
Obi will move. Obi let Obi be there.
I know the choko Obi no there.
Him the choko Obi Otosi Anambra State.
He's a very fine man.
Otosi Anambra State. Achoy Otua Azia owo onye nyego. Riwe na gaga anu onu. He will walk. Obi Oti Obi
You know the God sent of Abia State?
God sent of Abia State.
God sent of Abia State is Alex Choma Oti is the God sent of Abia State. And see the verify here. No vacancy for 2027. No vacancy for 2027. God sent of Abia State verify governor mean Alex Oti. Oti or nothing. That's member of Tower of Progress is supporting Oti, which is to every keke operator that operate from Gate Express to Onimo and Obombise, which is Imo State, is supporting Oti, which is verified people. We are there with him. We are moving with the Oti, which is Oti or nothing.
If you don't have PVC, we are sending you away from our park. You are not a member.
Tower of Progress said that.
Tower of Progress.
Tower of Progress.
Abuna in our back side.
Yes.
And you want to
get
PVC.
I got to away from our park. You go. You are not a good citizen. Yes.
One of my yalo.
Who to go to Kaifa no one Abia State for 24 years past. You go painting on the painter, fasting on the painter. See, I know my painting can I like record a painter. Am I going to paint your man?
Yes, now then I got.
See, I paint all my painter. What you paint Rigawa? Even the painting choir from 100 years coming. But I'm done online.
na biko ma tiri aka ma ati ga aka na oti chicha mo 4 years coming biko ka opere ya tia na biko ha mere mebere ya tiri gawa ka opere ya tia ya tego.
Thank you. Since 2023 till now na Nigeria ke karo degi. Since 2023 till now.
Bare the mama.
So any na na presidency degi, mo yeni na Tinubu na degi.
My president teacher, ya na kubo oti. Oti na the mama now.
Okay, Koti na degi mana.
Yes.
So as you vote to Roti come 2027, you can give vote.
I swear 100%.
Abi?
I swear.
Shop gadeba.
Chineke.
Shop gadi.
All the eba.
You a big man oh.
I'm big man oh.
Now getting cable man.
All management. Oh my God, came to big man.
Okay, my God, to make a big man.
For Tinubu, man. I'm telling you the truth.
Presidency, Peter Obi.
Why would you vote Peter Obi? What's so special about Peter Obi?
Peter Obi bụ onye ma ihe a na-akọ. Onye chọrọ ka o mee Nigeria ka ọ dị sharp. Negodo ka esi kidnap ụmụazị anụ. Onwedị ihe a na-ekwu maka ya, nothing. Peter Obi bụ mmadụ ga-arụ ọrụ. So don't worry, I will vote for Peter Obi. I'm from Anambra. Peter Obi is from Anambra.
So how long have you been in Abia State?
Let's say for 8 years.
Oh, 8 years. So you have witnessed another governor that you
Yeah, so
what do you have
this
to say about
present
that?
governor is fantastic.
They said he been in Abia State.
Na Isikot.
Also Adiaban before.
Uzo dịkwa ya anyway.
Unless you are already bank or Canada.
Ọ ka na-abịa. Yeah.
Sharp.
But Uzo has been good there though.
Bago terminal. Have you used the bus?
No, I've not used the bus.
But Bago email.
Abago me back.
How do you feel?
Okay, no na heaven go the safe.
Esieku.
Ifo nke ndị Anambra. Ifo ebe ahụ mana solution is working. So it's the same thing.
Okay. But have you been to Enugu before?
No, not yet.
So if you be terminal Enugu, you need to be there too. I'm from Enugu, so I'm telling you.
Okay.
You cannot be preaching your 2 states to me and I cannot preach my states to you. So I have to preach my own state to you. So you need to come to Enugu too. So I've never been to Enugu before. Why?
Okay, I've been there for a very Desafia. One father, Reverend Father, Mbaka.
Okay,
yes,
Mbaka, yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
just straight there.
Well, okay, that's good.
And Uzonine Mba.
So when last did you go to Enugu?
Up to 6 years.
6 years. If you come to Enugu now, I will not tell you anything.
Okay.
Take a business in the one.
Thank God, the one I had a one.
I'm going to give you a gap.
I bought one for 5,000.
Or 50 kg.
25 kg.
25 kg. How long came you to this business?
This is close to 2 years now.
Okay, 2 years. So you may be in the business and we hear the 2 months. You guys came out the difference, the change in difference.
But people now complain like anywhere before. Now what why now everything I deliver very distinct. Like when my son has to 25,000, 23,000. Unlike now, and the problem about milk. My milk could be very expensive now. That's it. And oil itself. Oil is exhausting. Oil takes everything from you. So that's just it.
So what's your profit margin like? Like profiting and whatever, what's the margin like after your expenses?
In a day?
In a day.
This business depends on how much you sold. In a day now, you don't have a particular fixed amount, but at least you can get like 5,000.
5,000 naira profit in a day. In actual sales boy.
No. I'm just sales boy.
But for you, like, how was from 2023 till now? How do you feel about it?
Is it in our state?
Not in your state. Presidency first. Nigeria as a whole.
It has been hell, oh. The only thing we make us they breathe for Abia State now because of our governor. If say we'll get back governor like before now, you understand. And we for don't run from Abia State now. But thank God for our governor. I don't know about the president because I'm not understanding anything. How can a student be missing and nobody's saying anything and parents are looking for their children? It doesn't have anything to do with me. As long as God is giving us a less OT by 2027.
Are you from Abia State?
No, I'm from Imo State.
What you carry you come Abia State? Popcorn.
No, by bets. I've been here since bets.
Oh, you have been here since bed?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. So when was the last time you traveled to Imo State?
Okay, last year. I schooled at Imo State.
Oh, which school? IMSU?
Alva.
That's good. That's okay. So very popcorn na good. No problem. I believe you. And we can't thank Akita no Abia Uruku.
Shut up. Otu governor Abia State. May say I am Imo State.
I'm from Imo State. Think about
So you Imo State?
Yes.
How long can you go to Abia State?
Been here since 2009.
2009.
Yeah.
So if you go other governors which in Abia State?
Yes. I forgot my other governors, like about 4 or 3 governors at Abia State. But this present one, being governor of Abia State, Choma Oti, is trying a lot. You understand? He's a nice governor. So I pray God just help me.
How can you enjoy in Abia State and actually in Imo State?
Because Ngala Imo State, Makana, I was in Ogon de Abia.
Okay, no why ever?
Alum wine, I ban.
For your mind, you check in a. You don't check in why? Man, you got the man Abia State.
Oh, Emaro, you got the man who put our Abia State. Oh, my happy. You're the one who got the man, Makana, alum wine about. Not going to put up a take on all Imo State. You're the go so. It's a nice state. I love you so much.
Kemaka national. Actually, you got 2 votes as per presidency level. You got 2 votes.
Let the man continue rule the state, the country now. I mean, Tinubu, yes.
Which one got Tinubu?
Yeah, Cheregawa.
Makagini.
Cheregawa, Makana. All the kind form of governor, Alex Oti. Ebiana Punketa, Ihoponon. There's no game. So, time they also check 8 years. Sekwa Kayama check 8 years. And that so.
In one sense, by Sona Tibuga large. Obi now, I will be winning before I went there. I'm a guy, and I get a name in Nigeria. Obi won 2023, which was very simple. So, but the way things are going, I don't know. But however, he will fail now. I mean, Tinubu, because he wasn't that. He has not been competent. Yeah, he fell in credibility. So in another round, Tinubu is nowhere to compare with Obi as an incoming.